In this video, I'm going to show you how to set tab stops in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so tab stops let you control exactly where your text moves when you press the tab key. They are useful for lining up text, creating forms, and formatting lists without using tables. Now, the best way to do this is to go ahead and open up Google Docs. Then from there, we want to make sure the ruler is visible at the top. If it isn't, click on the view, make sure it is set to show ruler. Then from here, place your cursor in the correct paragraph. So click anywhere in the paragraph where you want to add a tab stop. So if I want to go ahead and put one there. Now note, tab stops only apply to the paragraph where your cursor is placed. If you want the same tab stops in multiple paragraphs, you need to apply them to each selected paragraph. Now from here, come up to the ruler and you want to right click it. So we can add a left tab stop, a center tab stop, and a right tab stop. So yeah, a left tab stop, so the text starts at the tab stop and extends to the right. The center one is center tab, is text is centered on the tab stop. And the right tab, the tab ends at the tab stop and extends to the left. So for most documents, the left tab is the best spot or best option. Now you can see once we've done that, we've got a small marker here. Now if you want to adjust that marker, we can, like that, like so. Now I'm on a new line here, so when I go ahead and press the tab, it's going to come to that tab stop. You can see it is directly in line with that. So basically the cursor jumps to the tab stop you've created. Now I'm just going to move this tab stop a little bit more to the right here, and I'm going to demonstrate what this looks like with a bit of text. So I'm just going to put in name. Now I'm going to enter email and also phone. Now I'm going to use that tab stop. So I'm going to come up to name. I'm going to use the tab stop like so, and I'm going to put in the name and then the email. So tab, email, and phone. So you can see it is working how it should be. So yeah, that's how to add or set tab stops in Google Docs.